Hi, my name's Craig and wanted to talk to you about extended warranties with vehicles. I've worked with Jay at iAutoAgent on a car I recently had, which was a 2018 Mercedes. The issue on the repair was the backup camera was not working properly and the radio had issues too. Well, after being at the dealership for a series of about 4 weeks, they finally discovered it was a particular module that controlled everything. And so they were able to repair that and successfully get me on the road. But I did talk to the service advisor about what would this cost me if I did not have this warranty that I purchased through Jay. And they said it would have been a little over $6,000. So the warranty program that I did have had $100 deductible. So that particular repair cost me only $100. I would really recommend that you take a serious look at purchasing an extended warranty for your vehicle. So that way you know you're covered, but make sure that you have the right warranty. Jay would be that person that you should talk to about which one to purchase, which one should be put in place, and what fits your needs.